This should fix it. I don't know. Did it fix? Yes, it did. Think so. Anyways. Okay, it's working now. Alright. That's my chat. I mean, not my chat, one of my friends. That's fine though. Alright, we're gonna be playing Lockdown Protocol. Hello? Oh my god, bro. I'm about to tweak, dude. I'm about to tweak. Alright. Hopefully my game doesn't crash this time. So yeah. By the way, every probably about 15 minutes, you guys can go on Pet Cafe, and you guys can actually pet Litty the cat.
No, please put it down. Please put it down. Please put it down.
Yeah, throw C4. I picked up the
Just throwing C4 around. Who does that? Oh. Oh. Okay. Nice. Oh.
Good golly, Miss Molly. That was tragic.
Why is he dead?
He had the C4 and he was like, I got hit with the C4 and he hit me once, so I killed him.
Someone's locked her in bed shit right now, man. He saw the port.
I saw the entire thing, bro.
My head's in the wall.
Yeah.
Shit, that shit's nice, man.
Yeah. You wanna hold it? Hold it? See how comfortable it is?
Yeah.
You better give it back though.
I will.
Oh.
He technically did give it back.
I don't think he's gonna give it back.
He gave it back, but he only gave you the ammunition.
One bullet at a time.
Think about it, yellow.
What else do we need for a position?
Where's your dad at, yellow?
I've just been throwing.
Oh yeah, he went to go get the milk.
Blue.
I don't know where he went.
Probably
Do
drinking.
you have blue and red?
I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah, I got blue and red. Okay, so you have all the containers?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Do we just need more rice or what? Or do we have that?
Now we got it all.
White, you wanna do scanner?
I'm scared.
Anyways,
I need tuna.
check.
Okay, what color do you want me to get for you?
I already have the color.
Okay, I'll get the next one then. So you got
I
red.
just spawned in and instantly died.
You got which one? I just
tragic.
have capacity to go do shit. That's red. Okay. Oh, is that it? Like literally? Oh, fuck. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
You bitch.
Wait, though. You want to help me next round?
What?
We gotta make it a tragic death. We're gonna kill it brutally next round.
I'm totally down with that.
But we're gonna play with our food. We're gonna hit him, let him run, but we're gonna corner him and just make him say stuff.
I'm
We
totally
treat
down
it
with
in
that.
fact like dirt.
So who are we murdering next round?
Purple.
Okay.
We're gonna murder his ass, whether he's bad or not.
Alright. I mean, I don't have a problem with it, but... Okay. Huh?
Tell me where to go.
Yeah, go right. A little bit. And down. And left. And up. Alright, go down. Down a little bit.
Yacht! Is this done? I would assume so. Yeah. It was, in fact, done.
I wasn't fast enough.
You're toast.
Donuts. You have a mic?
Yes, I do.
Red, you have a mic?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can I get a yeah from everybody?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can play the drums on my belly.
Why? I have a pro for you.
Oops. Yeah, my bad.
Stay away from me! Why do you have a knife?
Hey.
You.
What?
Whoa, buddy.
Hey, Blue.
Why are you just carrying around
Come
a
here,
C4?
Blue.
What the fuck?
He was carrying a bomb.
Who took the rice?
The
Yeah,
rice
that
is
bag
right
rice.
here.
Might I ask why orange?
What happened? What happened?
Purple was coming at him.
No, I didn't.
Oh, really?
He's just sleeping. Look at him. Okay, bro.
Oh.
Stop killing me. Please. Okay. Do you want to do scanner white?
Do we have position,
I will not
right?
do what purple did. I will. I
Yeah.
promise. I will not do it.
G3M? What's G3M? I have no idea what G3M is. Okay, so it's the white one? The mushroom looking one. I forgot him. Honestly, I forgot I was descendant. Whoa. Do you on Pazushi?
Brown to go. Yeah, go get green.
Are you trying to hit me?
No, I'm trying to give you the friggin' canister. It's right there. Get green, please.
I got a bow.
Okay.
Oh, you got blue? Okay. It's brown, right? This is
Green. White.
This is brown. Brown. Tuna, green. Tuna. I need tuna. Got tuna?
Up a little bit. Perfect. Oh. Step back, please.
Hey.
Out of the room. Out of the room. Out of the room, please. Okay. Left. A little bit.
These people, man. I just got like kicked out of scanner, so. I guess I'll go clean these.
What do we need?
No, we
I'm
don't
gonna
need
go grab
anything.
the-
Awesome. We just finished scanning. Yeah.
Only Pazushi left?
Yeah. Hey.
I was trying to kill yellow and you got in the way.
That's crazy.
Maybe
Who
you
the
just have
distance
bad
though?
aim.
I
the
didn't want to
dissident?
kill anyone.
Who is the other descendant?
No one. It was just me.
Only one.
Yeah, I know.
We shared the talking box.
Okay. I still won't forgive you what you did to me.
That was White's idea. You can ask everybody else. That was White's idea.
You got a mic?
Leave.
You got a mic?
Yep.
You got a mic?
I got
Oh,
a
his
mic.
name is literally Morse code.
Morse code.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Hey, y'all, wait.
Okay, well.
Y'all used to,
What?
like playing on PC?
Yeah.
Alright, this is my first time. Alright, y'all go easy.
Oh, well.
Oh,
Like, I just
welcome
got
to the
same,
community.
man.
I'm a PlayStation 5 player. Alright.
Ew.
Oh.
I just want to try something. And then y'all
Okay,
got
ready
more
up,
games
ready
than
up.
PlayStation though.
Ready.
How do I do that? How do I do that?
Q and press set ready.
Alright. Thank you.
Perfect.
I don't like being dissonant.
Okay, first game. I love this.
I'm gonna accidentally stab her. What?
Look
for
what I
a
have.
very specific object.
This?
Yeah,
Or are you,
it's a
or are you
gun.
looking for the knife? Oh.
No, I'm looking for the black object with the red trigger. Detonator.
Oh.
I found
Wow.
C4. I don't have it on me. I found C4.
No, C4.
What happened?
He said he had the C4 and he was trying to find the detonator.
Oh. Yeah, that's a no-go.
So I did the only logical. Fuck. You know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. Logical.
Midday.
Sushi burrito store. Ooh, what's this? There's...
Hey, where's Simple at? Where y'all find it at?
I'll take that. Oh, my back. I get freaking scoliosis, dude.
Green.
What do you guys
No
need?
music.
Okay, play music.
Mushroom and the red one.
Y'all don't fuck with
No
music?
music.
The mushroom and the red one?
There's no good.
Yeah, and red and green.
Red and green. Oh gosh. Okay, I'll get green. Where is green? There it is.
Oh, really? Where's the dark blue at?
We still need to do delivery? I'll finish this.
I'm gonna go do delivery.
Alright.
Yo, chill out, bro. What the heck? What are you doing? Can I help you? Can you
Why
help
can
me,
I
Orange,
die?
please?
Why the fuck did you not die?
Orange, can you please help me?
Weren't you in there with purple?
Yeah, I killed Purple because you have the C4. What do you mean? I already told people that.
Purple had the C4?
Yes, he was looking for the detonator.
He was in analysis.
Yeah, no, Purple died. I killed him right outside the med bay.
No, what is he not dying for? Is he actually not dying?
Can you pop off, bro?
Nah.
Well, hold on. What is your reason for killing me right now?
Nah, you were in the room, like, signing and stuff, so, like, you didn't see the
Is it just you guys left?
Yes. Thank you.
I'll do it myself. Oh, I don't know if that was a good idea. I hate this. I just didn't trust both of them, honestly. Anyways, it's alright.
I like the little PC community. You know, y'all be on BS on Call of Duty though.
I
You got
drink till I'm drunk, smoke
Yeah.
till I'm high,
You were talking to me.
castle on the hill,
Oh,
wake up in
I'm
the sky,
just
you
doing
can't tell me
pregame.
I'm fly.
Mike,
Yes.
I know I'm super fly,
check.
I know I'm super fly.
You're
Just one day I'm
I know you don't, Mike.
out here with the moves,
Check.
like Brian Bennett smooth, you can't tell me I ain't fly.
Pink,
I
check.
know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
bad.
Did I just get kicked, or why did I get kicked? What did I do? What did I do? My back hurts. What did I do? What's going on? What is going on? Why can I not join anyone's servers? What is going on? And then I join? What's going on? Okay, well, I'll be right back. You can actually probably still hear me, but I'm not at my computer. What just happened? Am I lagging or something?
I'll start cleaning up some of the
Excuse
containers.
me.
Alright.
They're thinking, you know.
What are the tasks? Bless you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Keep on doing that.
What are the tasks? I just got here.
Kazushi and analysis. They just have 2 left in analysis, though.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know if they might make it.
My bad.
What? I can't hear you.
I don't know if they'll make it. It's possible though.
Yeah,
We
they're on the
need
last 2.
red and
Yellow.
Red and yellow, and they
I'll
have
get
clean
red, also
containers.
red.
see what. Alright, I found yellow. Got it.
Purple.
Oh, we got
Alright.
pink.
Purple.
They also have
Oh.
Kazushi, right?
So for this run.
Where's orange? Orange. Orange. Can
Yeah.
we do some rock, paper, scissors?
Sure.
Alright, I have yellow for you.
Okay. So we're just gonna do rock, paper, scissors, right?
Okay.
Alright. So rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What did you do?
I did scissors.
I did paper. Go back.
Okay, yeah.
No, I don't think they can win. They did. Nice.
Wait, were you imposter?
Yeah, where are you?
Dissident? Dissident?
Wait, who was a dissident?
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. No.
Are you sure you...
No, bro. It wasn't me.
Alright.
The only person that I think, but it wasn't even purple. By the way, I did know how to do Kazushi. I just didn't want to
Nah,
do
you're
it
good.
myself.
You're good. You're good.
But the purple suspected me because I didn't know how to do Kazushi.
It's alright.
Guess I'll set myself ready.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
We're in the hub. Pink, will you do the honors and ready up, please?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, thank you. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank
Oh. Hello. Do you want ready up so we can start the game, my good sir?
Will you do the
Morse
honors?
code. I saw you in my last game. What's up, dude?
How does wait.
What's up, Morse? You know I gotta get that battery. Whoa. Whoa. Everybody just chill.
Daddy, chill.
Real. What?
Thank God. I just wanted to blow up the landmine thingy.
There's... Oh, okay.
Seriously?
No one died doing in the process of that, right?
I didn't think people would actually play that.
What's that? If you know how to just play.
You say a lot of cheaters?
Okay.
Whoa, why? How did Green die?
Oh no, he
Oh, he
died?
blew himself up?
Oh.
Yeah, he killed himself,
I
I
exploded
think.
the landmine. I exploded the
You-
landmine. That's how. I was over there. I was in kitchen. I exploded the landmine. I didn't realize it killed someone. That was my bad, man. Do that.
I don't
Daddy,
know.
clear-
Wait.
It's not.
Okay.
What?
There's... Okay. So then, what was that? A red?
That was a blue.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Hey, 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 hey!
I said stop. I said stop.
Don't just kill him. Hey, no, 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 no! He killed Morse code. He killed Morse code for no reason. Was that Morse code or was that Morse code? You killed him for pressing the undo
no,
button.
no, I told him to. Apparently I was accidentally on mute, and I told him to stop, and he. So who is this then?
Is that you, Morse code? Are you Ghost?
Who's the other one?
I think it's not green. I don't know where he is. Oh yeah, it's green. Yeah, green's
okay,
also
so yeah.
dead. Wait, why isn't it over? I thought green's dead.
Oh no. If both incidents are dead, then it doesn't matter.
Wait, who's descendant?
Yeah,
alright, well then,
yeah,
they're pretty much safe then.
Yeah, they. Wait. Do
You're
the
saying?
longest Morse code you know. Do the longest one. You know. Do it, please.
Wow, that's it?
That's the longest Morse code you know.
She probably took Slaney.
No, watch this. I can do it longer than you. Ready?
That's crazy.
You're done, dude. You're done.
Yeah, he's got it too.
Oh shit, you got it. I completely swallowed my mic.
You just completely. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That bus. Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro. Dang, bro.
Yeah.
How'd you? Oh.
Hold on, let me get up there with you. Oh, hold on.
There we go.
Alright, hold on.
Who was descendant?
Wait, bro, bro, do you only speak in Morse code?
Yeah, I think so.
But yeah, well, I guess that's obvious. But is that really the only longest Morse code you know? Really? Come on, you got to do like superparalysis, man. No, do superparalysis, FPLodocious. Come on, you got this one. You can do this. Translate that. Translate it. Yeah.
Alright, well, anyways, can you ready up?
can you ready up, please? Please. Okay.
Pretty feet to the cherry on top.
You ready up?
No, I think he's translating his Morse code.
Find an employee one more time.
I guess I can help with pressure again. I just don't get how a fuse does 90 to the back. That's more than a knife. I don't feel like it's true though. I think my headset's about to die. Hold on, let me see if I can plug it in. Yeah, I can, but at the cost of my brother's VR? Whoa, 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 whoa,
We
whoa.
need brown rice. Is that brown rice?
Who just hit me? I was trying to plug in my headset. I don't know, I was standing in front of the brown rice. It might have been Morse code.
Alright, bro, it sucks. Green is going down. Alright. Green, why are you throwing stupid C4 around, bro? Do you even know how this
Hey man, I'd really love to understand you, but I honestly can't, because I don't speak Morse code. I accept it as an accident. If it was you. Oh, I got you, bro. There's a bomb.
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, green truck. Green truck. Alright, let's get your stuff.
Ooh, is there any? Aw.
I think he's gonna get, I need the, I don't know, black? But we need
Black.
red.
Pressure.
We need red.
Come on, Morse. Wanna do pressure? That one... Hey. Is that one good?
I don't know, is it? That was my first time doing it, so I honestly couldn't
Yeah,
tell you.
yeah, I think it's good. Yeah.
I just threw some shit in there, and I don't even know what to do, so I just...
Yeah, I think you got it right. If it's not exploded...
I got lucky then, because I don't even know what I
Yeah.
did, so...
Oh, wait.
I just put some shit in there.
Wait, hold on. No, stand right here. It's not all the way up to the max, I don't think. So here, Morse. Yeah, you can do it. Stand over there. Stand over there.
Get the fuck up. Oh, I was trying to push it again. Okay.
Here, so look, if you stand within a radius of like here to here, you'll blow up. So stand like back here next time.
Yeah, that's right. I stood. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
So now
So-
those two popped off. So what do I go? I gotta get
Then
something bigger now.
So then this might go here? Wait, are we missing one? No. Okay, well then this might go there, and then this...
Yeah, I think we're missing...
No, we're good.
You
Okay.
try it?
Yeah. Clear! Okay. This one, so that's a blue.
And then that's a yellow. That's a yellow over there.
I don't know. We have to check that one later. All right. Clear. Okay, this one's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so then let's try this one. Clear. Okay. Press it again.
Sound on the way up.
Yep. Okay, so
Oh.
that... This one... Let's just flip them around. Alright. Clear.